Today I'd like to do a really quick follow-up video on a few repairs that were done on this truck. This was a lower fender repair done with fiberglass, and I'll put all the links to these videos in the description. This repair was done a while back by lap welding, tapping the seam down, and filling. This repair was done with a flux core welder. The welds were lightly ground, tapped down, and filled. Last, this patch panel was glued on with some impact-resistant structural adhesive. I hope you enjoyed this brief follow-up video on past rust repairs. And if you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.